Alright, so this is going to be a quick review on how to upload certifications into VAIRKKO for approval for Anderson County. So you'll start your web browser here. You will sign in and make sure you go to your user panel. On here, Education tab, Certification Tracking. On here you will see all your certifications that you currently have and how long they are still good for. If you have any of these boxes right here, especially this one, you need to fix those. These right here, you need to make sure that you're finding a class or be scheduled for a class prior to this date so your certification gets fixed. Your RSI certification will be updated in January. If it is currently not, you need to touch base with Terry and make sure that you get that addressed. Alright, it's a pretty simple process. You go to add new certification / training. You go to your certification for demonstration purposes. I'm going to do my PALS update here. So down here, you don't have to worry about endorsements or number ID unless it's your National Registry state certification or there's an actual identification number that goes along with it. Activation will be the date in which you completed that course. For this one, mine was June 28th. It should automatically update depending on what you put up here. If it's your National Registry, it should be 2 years. If it's your state one, it should know to do 4 years. So it should take care of all this automatically. So you'll make sure that if it's anything different than what this is down here, make sure you change it. So we'll say this goes out to the 30th. Trainer, if it was somebody that works here, that's the only options you get as far as this goes. Otherwise it'd be non-employee trainer. You can leave it blank, doesn't really matter, it's not a required field. Down here you will need to place a copy of the certification, either one you scanned or you have an e-card from AHA, yada yada yada. And then that's the only things you'll have to do in there, and then you'll send for approval. Okay. You can exit out of that screen. If you hit refresh, then you can go over here to your pending. And this is the one I just did. I did that one earlier, ignore that. But this is the one I just did for pending. So that will go to where Terry can approve it. It will get updated as soon as she sees it. It's just a click of a button. And that's all for this one. Thank you for your attention.